honor speaker, the Commander, 1st Infantry Command Division, Philippine Army, Brigadier General Noel A. Cobalias, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 3rd Light Armored Agapay Battalion personnel, led by their battalion commander, Lieutenant Colonel Pasianito D.Z. Castillo.
Captain Marlon A. Macarilay, Battalion S4, Battalion S7.
Captain Erwin I. Combate, Headquarters Commander.
The 31st Light Armored Company, led by their company commander, Captain Silvia Lina Gesaet.
Nandito po lahat na pagkalaman.
Today, we witness the send-off ceremony of the 43rd Infantry Battalion and welcome ceremony for the 3rd Light Armored Battalion. 43rd Infantry Reserve Battalion, aside from this traditional role as defender of the people, embrace another primary concern of safeguarding the vital installations and protecting communities against the onslaught of violence. I believe that this unit has primarily delivered proactive response to the prevailing combat and civil military operational needs of the 1st Infantry Division and the people of the land. Tapakan po natin ang 43rd Infantry Battalion, pamumuno Lieutenant Colonel J. Ladran.
Sub-unit of the Philippine Army Light Armor Regiment, or what we call the PALAR, which later becomes the Light Armor Brigade, Philippine Army, and now the Light Armor Division, Philippine Army. Grenade at the center.